combinations of colors can be made. It is a very strange thing. You can mix the color, you can make a color, but mixed color cannot be divided into two again. Orange is not the natural color, but it is the combination of red and yellow. When we want to use lemon, so then we can use two filters jointly, red and yellow, and we are giving the joint color, so then we will get the lemon color. So indigo is the combination of violet and blue color. Sorry, I told you orange, first orange, red and yellow, not lemon. And lemon is yellow and green. Very strangeful thing I can say, if a person in dreams or when he closes the eyes sees the lemon color, that is the combination of yellow and green, that means he is going to gain some financial benefit. In dreams, a person, if he sees the color, lemon color, that is the combination of green and yellow color, so then it means that he is going to be benefited financially. Turquoise, green and blue. Magenta, red and violet. Magenta. It is the combination of red and violet. Violet itself is a combination of red and blue color. And again, another one is scarlet. That is the combination of magenta with red and red. And it can also be prepared with blue and red. Scarlet. SCARLET. Red. Or blue plus red. Purple can be made with two combinations. One is magenta plus violet. Purple color is the combination of magenta and violet and yellow and violet. This is what I could say today. I have referred so many books, but I shall suggest you that if you want to know more about color therapy, you can go to the books of Cosmic Ray Therapy by Mr. A.K. Bhattacharya, Cosmic Ray Therapy by A.K. Bhattacharya, or this color therapy by R.B. Amber. Color therapy, heading is the book of the heading is Color Therapy, written by R.B. Amber. Both the books are from Calcutta. ये जोरस्टन में मिल जाएगा आपको, रॉय एंड कंपनी में, दवा बाजार में जोरस्टन का जो है ना वहां पे मिल जाएगा, या रॉय एंड कंपनी में मिल जाएगा. But about both these books and other books which are available in the market from the western side, these both are the Indian books. The most reliable book is from Babbitt, which is not at all available in this country. The most reliable book in color therapy was written 130 years back by Mr. Babbitt, B-A-B-B-I-T. And that book is not available in the market at present because it was written 130 years back, and that is the encyclopedia of color therapy, right from atom to today. The modern concept, everything you can find in that book. That is a very big volume on Babbitt, and I believe and follow that book, the Babbitt's book, which I am having luckily, that book. So I follow that book. In that book, each and every disease and details. I think color therapy is the heading. I think color therapy. I don't remember exactly at present, but Babbitt is the most reliable, means you can say the authentic book in this color therapy. In India, Mr. Ghadiali is very famous, and his book on diseases and color. And I shall invite sometimes, when if permitted, from here, Mr. Jetli, who has treated more than 1,000 patients, cancer. Mr. Jetli, one expert in color therapy, he is Jetli, Y.N. Jetli, and he only work on color therapy, gene therapy, and distance healing. He is expert. He is at Vikhroli, and I think he has not less than 1,000 cases he has treated of cancer. I give you the number. He has treated cancer patient not less than 1,000 only with color therapy. He has got very good result. He is very much expert in this field, and he can give treatment on photo through distance healing. That is called the distance healing with photograph. He is mostly treating the patient with photograph in distance healing, but when the patients are going to him personally, he treats well. And he has told me that he has treated not less than 1,000 patients of cancer itself. There are a lot of diseases where allopathic medicines are not working. There, you can take the help of color therapy just to speed up or improve the healing given by allopathic medicine. Or you can remove the effects. You can say that the ill effects of the allopathic medicine through colors.
How is the therapy is done? How is this therapy?
How we can do the therapy?
How it is done? Using some machine or
in our team, the experts, those who are using these therapies, they got very good results out of that.
Suppose we want to use it, how do we go about it?
That's why I told you that you just refer these books. Everything is given in these books. I can't repeat the book. I can give you the guideline about that. Amber and I.K. Bhattacharya has written 2 books. Mr. Bhattacharya has written 2 books on color therapy. One is color therapy and another is cosmic ray therapy. And in both, he is the expert of homeopathy, and he is using color with homeopathy, treating the patient. Yes, A.K. Bhattacharya. You will get both the books here in Roy and Company or Jerusalem. Madam knows it well. You know, no? You are having both the books? Huh? Anything else you wanted to know about color?